These earphones are wired, aren't they? In the age of wireless earphones, I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about the secret behind selling wired earphones. I'd like to hear your opinion. When these earphones came out, full wireless earphones were already being sold. I thought at the time that the market would eventually shift to full wireless earphones. That's what I thought. If you asked me if we were going to make wireless popular, I thought a lot of manufacturers would turn up, maybe in China, and start a price war, and the war might be over. So I bought Bluetooth earphones, tried listening to the sound, and thought, I want to make something that can do what these can't. The difference between wired and wireless is in the frequency range and the amount of information. Naturally, there are differences. It's all about spatial expression, isn't it? Spatial expression. It's difficult to do spatial expression with wireless. It is possible to create sound by equalizing, but the spatial expansion and the use of overtones, it's hard to do that with Bluetooth wireless technology. That's why we've paid so much attention to it. I think this is what makes the best use of our wired product, even though it's called recabling. In short, this cable is one of the elements of sound quality. It may be copper wire, but it also makes a difference. Yeah. There is also the quality of sound. It's also guaranteed, isn't it? I think there's still a future for wired devices. That's how I see it. I don't think it will ever disappear. So if it's not going to disappear, I think it will continue as it should be. I think so. If you're looking for the way things should be, the market is there. When it comes to wireless, there's the digital transmission. Digital to analog transmission is necessary, right? In other words, you have to convert from digital to analog. This is one more function. But this cable is a purely analog signal. Electrical signal flowing through here, right? You can change the sound by recabling. How does it affect the driver? That's where the numbers don't come from. You're right. It's a factor that makes the sound better. So the fact that it's a wired system, it's also an advantage to enjoy the sound quality. We, as music producers, just do not check the sound with wireless earphones. For example, Sony MDR CD900ST, you can recable it, changing the earpads, changing the O-ring, etc. So I guess there is still something to be said for the benefits of analog. This is hobby.